What if I told you the real horror in your home isn't ghosts, it's cockroaches? These ancient survivors aren't just gross. They can bite you while you sleep. Cockroaches have been caught nibbling on people's hands, feet, even eyelashes, especially when food is scarce. Their bites leave red, itchy bumps, and scratching can lead to nasty infections. On ships, infestations have gotten so bad that sailors wore gloves to protect their fingers at night. But the terror doesn't stop there. Roaches carry over 30 types of bacteria and parasites, spreading disease just by crawling over your food or toothbrush. Their allergens can trigger asthma attacks, especially in kids. And get this, a cockroach can live a week without its head and run up to 3 miles an hour, spreading germs everywhere it goes. So next time you see one, remember, it's not just a bug, it's a nightmare waiting to happen. Want more creepy facts about the critters hiding in your home? Comment below with your fears and tell us what horror you want to see next. Don't forget to like and follow if you dare.